Start off with a little bit of a tickle. Hi, seniors. How are you? Um, it's Miss Dixon, and I want to go over the week and the important things that you need to know for the week. Um, I kind of want to move away this for the remainder of this 9 weeks from the actual like class recordings where there's a lot of dead air and all that, and just kind of give you the essential things that you need to know and what I want to convey to help you. So the theme of this week is starlings. I have actually two videos on the slides of starlings that are just gorgeous. So I kind of just threw that in there, just a little something uplifting, a little bit different. Basically, this week, Friday, we have a short week. Friday is a holiday, there's no school. Also, I will be out at the end of the week. But here is just a little bit about the week. We have a couple of birthdays in the month of March. Tomorrow is actually my only day for tutoring for making up anything. And I am giving the first Siddhartha quiz, slash test. Actually, it's just a test. And it's over chapters 1 through 4 plus the background. It shouldn't be too bad of a test. This week should be a uh, pretty easy week. We are going to have the test this week. Again, chapters 1 through 4 plus the background. Um, and then if you actually come to class, if you have some extra time, you can read your independent book or start chapter 5. Wednesday, we'll have a timed writing piece. We have to get those in once a quarter, once every 9 weeks. So we'll go ahead and do that on Wednesday, Thursday. Okay. So Siddhartha test, Monday, Tuesday, really low key. If you have extra time, we'll start reading chapter 5 of Siddhartha. And then the timed writing, that is Wednesday, Thursday. And basically, you guys, I'm giving you the period to write a formal essay stating this: given the choice of one and only one of these things, which would you choose? Money, fame, friends, love, and why? This will count as a quiz since it will be a fully developed essay. Okay. So, and I may even give you, a higher, maybe even add it as a test. But do the best you can for it. Do the best you can on it. And again, there is some videos that I have for you all. Like, for example, I don't know if I can get the sound though from the computer on this recording, but I'll figure out a way to do it. But kind of do look at the slides and watch the two videos. It's just for your inspiration. It's nothing that we're doing. It's just the subject matter of what we're reading and something that's just very, very awe-inspiring. Anyway, you guys, kind of a low-key short week. Make sure that if you do miss the actual physical test on chapters 1 through 4 plus the background, and it is open note, that you make it up on Tuesday or as quickly as you can. Because this week's going to go pretty quickly, and then next week, for you seniors, you guys won't be affected, but the younger grades, the ninth graders and the 10th graders are doing their STAR next week. So that is kind of an element too. Anyway, have a great week 3, and we'll talk soon. Thank you.